Hi there, it's Suzanne here today with this sweet Christmas project for you. These are the 3D Christmas tree lanterns, and they're shaped like a Christmas tree. And they are so simple to make. There's only one that has any layering. Well, maybe two. One has a little star on it. But they look so cool in the light, and they look so cool in the dark. They are festive, they are intricate looking, and they are cozy. They're really fun to mix and match. And there's two sizes. You can find them all on my Silhouette design store, and I'll leave the link down below. This project is really easy to assemble. Let's look at the supplies you're going to need. A bone folder, some adhesive, a ruler, and of course your cut project, and a little light source. So the first thing you're going to want to do is flip your project over and then start folding up all those perforated score lines. Use your bone folder to burnish down those score lines, and use your ruler to help you fold up those inner score lines that are a bit harder to get to. The next step is to add the vellum to the inside, and I just use glue dots for this, except in one place. I use a strip of adhesive along the side opposite the tab that holds the tree together. Now we have the project right side up, we can apply adhesive to these tabs and assemble the tree just like this. The hole in the bottom is super handy for helping you press down those glued edges, and the hole is big enough for a regular size flameless tea light. But today I'm choosing a little balloon light. So you can see how these are super simple to assemble and make great home decor for Christmas. Thanks for dropping in to watch this, and I hope you have fun making these 3D Christmas tree lanterns. See you next time. Bye for now.